Battery charging instructions. There are two onboard battery chargers. A few items to note when using the charging system. Before use, and as soon as possible after discharge, the battery should be fully charged. A full charge cycle resets the fuel gauge and prevents damage due to self-discharge that occurs over time. In addition, if the battery is to be stored or not used for an extended period, it should be recharged about once a month. To charge, connect Electrix charger to the charge port on the battery. Do not pull the cables, but rather grasp the plastic portion of the plug and align the connector. Push straight in. Connect the AC cord to the plug on the charger rear panel. Connect the supply end or the cable to an AC outlet that provides 100 to 240 volts AC. This supply must be able to supply 900 watts minimum. Turn the switch to the on position. Make certain that the battery is activated. The power is on. Depress the red number 2 button on the membrane switch. Charge and load LED should be on. Charge initiation can take up to 30 seconds. When current begins to flow, the charge LED will flash. The charger will turn off automatically at the end of the cycle. The fuel gauge will be reset to 100% when the battery reaches 28.0 volts or a single cell reaches 3.7 volts. Charge may continue for a few minutes after 28.0 volts is reached, and the battery may accumulate some small amount over 100% charge before it terminates. Please note, it is critical to allow the charger to complete its cycle and turn off automatically. Even though the battery may show 100% or higher, the display may not be accurate until the charger resets the counter. If the battery is fully depleted, charging can take up to 3 hours and 20 minutes. The battery can be operated during the charge cycle. Be certain that the connect load can tolerate at least 28.5 volts DC. Load may terminate under certain conditions. It's a good practice to test the exact conditions of use prior to engaging unfamiliar loads in this manner. Lithium battery cells do best when used frequently and fully charged before each use. This allows the cells to reach an equilibrium, and the LCD data will be most accurate under these conditions. Should you need any further technical assistance, please call our home office. We can also answer any questions you might have regarding sales and rentals of our Electrix power systems. Visit our website at electrixpower.com for additional information and product accessories and updates.